Got a change in speed limit coming up, Pete. It's 40. Wait. We're straight on Stratford. On in for the left-hand bend. Coming out slightly towards the crown of the road to extend your view. Come away because of the lorry. Excellent. Got a 50 limit coming up now as we're starting to approach Stratford. 7 miles. We've got to cross the Foss Way. Looks like the road goes left. Having gone left, it looks like because of the tree line we could go right. Does it? Watch out for the combine harvester behind this. There you go. Use your telegraph poles if you can, Pete. Use your hedgerows, use your tree line, use your oncoming cars. Watching the road ahead, we're straight on. This is a